G'day there, Pete Moriarty. In this video, I want to take you through what's included in a Dialpad Test Drive. Now, we all get excited from time to time on implementing new software inside a business, and some of us even suffer from bright, shiny object syndrome. And we've seen thousands of businesses implement technology, and we know what it takes to make sure that's done correctly. Now, cloud-based phone solutions are absolutely excellent, and they're exciting as well because, well, they can mean a very different way of doing business, whether it means you're working at home more or you're traveling more and still able to make your business calls, whether it opens you up to having an international team making local calls to your customers, or if you're just looking to reduce costs or reduce complexity of your current phone system. A solution like Dialpad or like Google Voice is going to help you to get your business running much smoother. Now, a guided trial is for businesses who are interested in the product and are considering moving forward with licenses. Right now, the only option available is annual licensing for Dialpad, and so we want to make sure if we're going to sell this product to any of our customers that it works for you. So some of the things we want to make sure that we get right is your network up to scratch? Do you have the right hardware? Have you and your team properly tested and used all of the features and benefits of the actual platform, Dialpad? And does it actually work for you? Is it a good fit for your business? And so that's why we have a Dialpad Test Drive. Now, why do we call it a test drive? Well, you wouldn't buy a new car unless you took that for a test drive. That's why we call this a product test drive. And why does it cost money? Well, it's $99 because we actually incur costs by sending you hardware and having our team walk you through the process of testing the product. Now, you might be thinking, well, why can't I just do this myself? I don't need you guys. And let me tell you, for any customer who's attempted to set this up themselves and dig around with their router settings or, spends hours and hours and hours trying to figure things out themselves, it's just not good use of your time. And so it's best to delegate it to us. Let us hold your hand through the process so we can show you exactly what you need to know and nothing that you don't need to know. So what's included in the test drive? Well, for starters, we're going to ship you some hardware. We're going to send you some headsets, professional headsets you can plug in via USB to your computer. These are the best quality available on the market, and they will let you test out the absolute best experience possible for Dialpad when you're using it inside your business. Next, we may choose to send you a router or even sometimes desk phones so you can test out those experiences as well. Depending on your internet connection and your current network configuration, we may need to tweak some settings just to make sure that the correct settings for the network are reflective of what Dialpad needs to see. Something like voice you don't want to get wrong, and if someone's synchronizing their Dropbox or messing things around in Google Drive in the background, you don't want to have your call quality affected by that. So that's why we send these things to you and we work through you with a professional member of our team who will make sure you can fully evaluate the product. So if you're interested in Dialpad and you want to get started on checking it out for your business to see whether or not it's a good fit, we are the best way for you to get started, and a test drive is where you start. Jump on the link below and get started with the test drive of Dialpad today. Our team will be in touch within 24 hours of you checking out, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Cheers.